इस वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर, फॉलो और कमेंट करें।
They automatically fold and secure a manually folding wheelchair within a weather-resistant compartment on the vehicle roof. This eliminates the need to store your wheelchair in the trunk or back seat, allowing your family and friends to enjoy the comfort of your vehicle. In-vehicle lifts, on the other hand, are installed inside the vehicle. They present a solution for individuals seeking a more accessible option. These lifts work by lowering a platform from the center downwards. The folding part is retracted to the sides of the vehicle to save space. Both types of lifts can be easily controlled at the touch of a button. As a rule, a complete cycle is completed in less than a minute.
Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.